documentary Plantor Nation, and I saw that last night at Fairfax, Virginia, and it was amazing.
Don't wait another minute. Probably not going to hear this from your doctor, so just do it yourself. Get the animal products out. You'll feel better. You'll sleep better. You'll think more clearly. Blood pressure will drop. Cholesterol will drop. Arthritis and a joint pain will probably go away. So many things just get better. It's the food.
Super excited and grateful to be a part of this movement.